Meaning of fuse wire.
Fuse wire.
Fuse wire.
Fuse wire.
Fuse wire. Fuse wire refers to a safety device used in electrical circuits to protect against overloading and short circuits. It is a thin wire made of materials with a low melting point, such as copper or aluminum, which melts and breaks the circuit when too much current flows through it. This prevents damage to the electrical system and reduces the risk of fire. The fuse wire must be replaced after it melts to restore the circuit's functionality. Fuse wire is an essential component in electrical safety and is commonly used in homes, vehicles, and industrial settings.